Hi, Daisy.
Oh, hi, Laura.
What's wrong?
I've been learning how to make bubble.
It seems that you were trapped into the filter bubble.
What's the filter bubbles?
Filter bubble phenomena is a state of intellectual isolation. The website algorithm can selectively display information for the user based on their interests. This can lead to people not being contacted to different point of view.
Is there anything good about it?
Yes, of course. Filter bubble can bring benefits to both users and business, and you can find friends with the same interests.
Does it have any drawbacks?
Well, look at yourself. You are trapped in a bubble, and that is information cocoons. In this bubble, you can only hear your own voice, and that is echo chambers. It limits people's vision because it's invisible. People don't realize what they say is different from others.
Then how to pop the bubble?
Receive education, find a balance, and establishing a network monitoring platform.
Wow, it's more comfortable for me now.